She's been on the air for 2 months, single, well-liked. Al's with the family.
Trying to track the package. Cameras at the entrance of the building only captured a man from behind.
It's not much, but given that and what Sherry gave us, I pulled these pod photos. Could be the same guy. If he ditches the jacket and the hat.
This guy exits the newsroom at 8:42 a.m. Half hour later, a pod picks him up across the street. It's 8 minutes after the bombing and he's still there. Like, he stayed.
He matches Sherry's description.
Yeah, but it's not enough for visual recognition.
Okay, let's release it to the media. It's a person of interest. Set up a tip line.
We sure that's the plan? We got 2 pictures of a guy in the vicinity. That's it. That could go wrong 1,000 ways if the public has it.
I still have Sherry's blood on me. You're asking me it's worth the risk. Someone's gonna know who this guy is.
Now get on the packs with news affairs. Have them release it.
We got something. I interviewed the guard who's working the front desk at the newsroom. He says everyone has to sign in to get inside. He only remembers one delivery from this morning, and he was on the phone when the guy came in, but he swears he was white and he had a beard.
This guy stopped by security before he delivered the bomb.
This guy signed his name in the in-out book. Eric Mitchell. He's a journalist at a local entertainment magazine. 35, white, beard.
Bring him in.
Nice house for a journalist.
Yeah.
I thought journalism was supposed to be extinct.
Well, it depends what kind. Still have a lot of money if you make the news entertainment. Is that Mitchell?
Yeah, those are his plates.
SUV is Mitchell, so we're gonna approach on foot, distract him, you guys come up behind him.
Copy, we're moving in now.
Looks like he shaved his beard.
Eric Mitchell!
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, call it in.
21 Henry, emergency. We have an explosion at 8.
You guys good?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, we gotta get him covered up.
An ambulance, CFD, bomb and arson. Could be multiple devices. Make sure they block off a 2-block radius.
The entire blast hit him head on. He's gone.
Hey, I saw it happen. I was right over there.
I need you to
I
step
help?
back. Yeah, I know you
What
want
can
to
I do?
help,
What
but
can
I
I
need you
do?
to stand back. Thank you.